When I first moved abroad, I felt so lonely, and to be honest, I did not expect it to be that hard to make friends. If you also moved abroad, I just want to share like some tips that helped me to find some friends in my new home. First country I moved to was Greece, and I knew that I didn't stay there for too long, but I still tried to make some friends, and to be honest, it was awkward. I'm more an introverted person and I'm socially awkward, okay? So I overthink everything and I don't know how to behave. Anyway, me and a friend that also moved there, we tried to meet new people. We just went up to people sitting at the bar asking like, hey, can we join you? And they were like, okay. And so I was like, oh, okay, great. That's so awkward now. Should we even join them or not? Like, there were so many uncomfortable situations. So after a while I was like, now I live in Singapore and here I found finally some friends. My first tip, which is hard, I get it, but say yes even when it's awkward. Go to meetups, go to co-working events. You can look on platforms like Meetup, Facebook groups, maybe even Reddit. You know, like there are so many online platforms where you can have a look, and then they plan events where you can go to. People who go to those events also want to find new people, so it's pretty easy to meet people there. It is awkward, yes, but you have to get out of your comfort zone in order to meet new people. So even if you feel weird, just join. If you don't like it, then you don't, but at least you've tried, so go at least to one event. Tip number 2 is to join like a routine-based community, you know, like go to the gym and do some courses, some classes. Sometimes there are running groups or there are co-working spaces where you can meet new people. And if you see them over and over again, it becomes less awkward to ask them if they just want to grab a coffee sometime. And this also goes hand in hand with it. Be the one who asks. Be the one to initiate. Don't wait for others to ask you. Ask them. Yes, the fear of rejection is real for most of the people. And I also have it. It's not easy, but on the other hand, what's the alternative? You just sit at home alone and you never meet friends and you wish you would meet them, so just ask them. And trust me, it gets easier, and you just have to push through sometimes to get what you want. Also, sometimes they even thought about asking you as well, so they are happy when you make the first move. I also had that happen, that someone asked me if I want to hang out, and I was like, oh my gosh, thank God, because I also thought about asking her for so long, but I couldn't find the courage, so I was happy that she did it. And most of the people, they're not offended when you ask them, you know, just do it in a like polite, friendly way, and maybe you already have found your new friend. And one way, which is the easiest and where I've met all of my friends basically, is Bumble BFF. It's just an app like Bumble, the dating app, but for friends, so you can just like swipe through and see if you're gonna match with a person, then you can text them and make a date. I've met so many people through Bumble, and the good thing is sometimes you only need one person because this person introduces you to their friend, and now here it's like a big group with like 6, 7, 8 girls plus their partners, so it's like a really Jesus so it's like a really big group, all through Bumble BFF. So for me, that was the easiest way. There are also other apps. I don't even know, like there's Nomad Her for women, then there's Trip BFF. Like there are so many apps you can try, and this is the most easiest way because you just chat and you ask the person after a while like, hey, do you want to meet? And if they say no, then whatever, because the rejection is not as tough as when it is in person. So if you're more like me, like a shy introverted person, then I feel like this is definitely for you the way to go to make new friends. The good, oh, it starts to rain, I guess. The good, okay, then I have to hurry. The good thing is they also want to meet new people because they don't have any friends, so they're in the same situation as you, which makes it so much easier. because depending on the country it can be hard to meet locals. I'm still struggling with that, to be honest. But at least now I have like friends from like all over the world. Depending on where you live, just learn the language, even like a little bit, you know, because it's so much easier to get to know locals when you speak the language. And there's a butterfly. It's attacking. Not attacking, but ooh. I feel like almost every country, maybe one country is the exception. So if you know which country, let me know in the comments. They are all happy when you speak the language, even when you don't speak it fluently or perfect, even when you make mistakes. Nobody cares, all are happy you try. And that's like the most easiest way to meet locals, because not all of them can speak English. So it's definitely easier to speak the language. So I hope my tips helped you a little bit. I hope you find friends. I hope you're happy in your new country and you have a good life there, and I wish you all the best. Let me know in the comments if you have more tips, and tell me, was it easy for you to find friends or was it not? Because for me in Athens it was impossible, and here in Singapore through Bumble BFF it was so easy. So I hope you have a good one. Bye!